Welcome all our PYP heroes to another exciting edition of the Creepy Critters news channel. On tonight's broadcast, we are receiving cries of distress from the planet. Our Mother Earth is being destroyed. And this time, it's not Thanos who's causing the problems, so we can't call the Avengers. This time, it's us. We are the one creating the damage. We are the ones who are making our planet sick. And we are the ones who need to fix that. So, if you are ready to save our planet and to take action, then stay tuned to tonight's exciting episode of Creepy Critters News. For today's riddle, I would like to know which animal can only move from side to side. And guess what? It's the same animal that has a whopping 10 legs. Do you think you managed to guess correctly? Well, stay tuned while our reporter tells you about today's creepy critter.
Hello kids and welcome back. The animal I quizzed you on was a crab. Yeah, I know, crazy right? 10 legs, can you believe it?
The thing that scares me are those strong pincers. I don't want to be grabbed by those.
Back to the pincers, it's scary how they're so big and strong, and the reason they have pincers is they use them in self-defense.
Well, I guess we would also use our strength to protect the things we love. But why are crabs so important to our planet? Why should we protect these scary creatures?
Well, the reason we want to keep these little creatures, yeah, sometimes big, well, you could basically call a crab, listen to this, it's funny. You could basically call a crab a sea hoover. Yes! They run along the sea and eat, or as we like to call it, hoover up, non-composed plants and animals. And if we didn't have these little hoovers, well, our sea would be crowded with bad sea plants. Ew!
There would also be a lot of dead, rotting animals that could spread diseases.
If only we had some crabs to hoover up COVID.
But that's not the only thing that makes crabs very important to people.
Crabs are also very tasty. On Wikipedia, you can see that crabs make up of 20% of crustaceans that are caught, and we use 1.4 million tons of crabs a year in fish cakes, sushi, and crab sticks. Yummy! That is a lot of human jobs and a lot of human families that rely on crabs to work and survive. If we killed crabs just because they're scary, then humans and nature would suffer.
Wow, so without crabs, the ocean would be a filthy mess. And many people wouldn't have jobs and be able to feed their families. So boys and girls, the next time you see a crab, don't try to hurt it just because it looks scary. Remember that crabs serve an important role to protect our planet. If you have any questions for our reporters about crabs or any other creepy critters, ask your mom or dad to write it in the comments for us. Or you can send us a picture that you drew and we will put it on our next news broadcast. Stay tuned! Don't forget to join us tomorrow for another exciting episode of the Creepy Critters News Channel.